This guide will help you address audio desync issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. Follow these simple steps to enhance your audio settings. Step 1. Check Game Settings. Start by launching Red Dead Redemption 2 and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the audio settings and ensure that all options are set to the recommended levels for your system. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your sound card or motherboard manufacturer to download the latest audio drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Adjust audio output. In the audio settings of your game, change the audio output format. Experiment with different settings such as stereo or surround sound to see which one provides the best synchronization. Step 4. Sync audio in Windows. Right-click on the speaker icon in your Windows taskbar and select Playback Devices. Choose your audio device, click Properties, and then go to the Advanced tab. Adjust the default format and test different sample rates to find the best fit. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the necessary adjustments, restart Red Dead Redemption 2 to ensure all changes take effect. Launch the game and check if the audio desync issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your audio experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming.